Ever since I was a kid, I've always dreamed of owning a sports car, but buying a brand new one, that was way out of my budget. So instead, I made a bolder choice. I decided to build one myself. And then one day, I stumbled across the bare bones of an Alfa Romeo Spider 1750, abandoned in a public junkyard. An iconic Italian machine, famous for its elegant design and emotional driving feel. Tracking one down across the US was nearly impossible because they're so rare. But somehow by pure luck, or fate, it found its way to me. And the price? Just $300. That's when the journey truly began. And today, I'm here to do something extraordinary. I'm here to turn the impossible into reality. I'm going to transform this pile of scrap into a 1,000 horsepower supercar. I'll restore it, upgrade it, and turn it into a wild fusion of classic beauty and race-bred performance. And I'll prove one thing: nothing is impossible. Are you ready to witness the transformation? Let's do this.